Well, that's the liquid clear applied. Here we go. Crimson's coming out. Some Indian yellow. I'm gonna go into this crimson. I'm gonna have to do the whole board in this crimson. Okay, there's the crimson. Okay, let's go into this Indian yellow. I'm just using the same brush here. Let's do some Indian yellow over here. Just comes across there. Let's go. I don't know how. We're gonna have probably some water. Let's have some water maybe coming through here. So that's that Indian yellow mixing on there too. Titanium white. Nice dollop of that. Maybe a bright spot up here. So I don't know. Let's just have a little play about there. Just do some blending, see what happens. We'll start in here. Yeah, nice bright spot here. I've just literally put my finger in here, gone over to here and made sort of this, done it into the crimson and the, well, mainly yellow. Let's just put just a little thing there. Try and make it as round as possible. Let's just make up a colour for this mountain. Let's nick some of this colour here, even some of that yellow in there. Touch of crimson with that black. Let's make a nice big mountain. We could do like a distant one maybe over here. Just scraping a little bit of colour there. Leave it rocky. Just pull it out. Well, this one's faint, this one's kind of far away. This one's quite far away, so not a lot of detail on here. Just want a little bit of something there. A little peak there coming through. Just a little bit of hazy something there, you know. We're gonna have a big mountain here. I mean, it's gonna be big. So I'm just using this as the outline. Just put this colour in here. Now this one's going to push that mountain right back. I'll put that mist there and that's going to go behind that mountain. We're going to pull this down now, this colour. Just grab that down very lightly, pull that down. How far do we want this mountain coming in the picture? Over here I want to catch the light of the sun, so maybe we should do cut across here. I just want to lay some on the just on the edge. How does it catch the mountain? And I'm going to make up some like a crimson now, in with that colour. Right, I'm just going to start bringing that over. Some to mix onto that. Just drag this down. Just a little bit plain across there. How does this one come? We can join this one together. Building up different feelings. I'm going to darken up the other side quite a bit, and that should really show. I've still got that, some of that sort of main colour in it. drag some of this down. Okay. Drag some of that down on top. Just a mixer of colours going on there. Primer. Just a nice bit of mist across there. You're going to use this dark colour up we got here. It's got the crimson, the black in there. Let's just add a little bit more in there. Okay, let's just do some a little tree line. That beautiful mist. This one going off sort of into nothing. Fill up all this. Just a nice little tree line there. I'm just going to pull these down here. Just tap the bottom there. Got something here. Let's have I'm going to come down something like this. I'm just putting some dark in here because I want to put some green on. Something like that, I think. Going into that yellow and just making that a little bit brighter. Let's just see what this looks like. I'm going to go a little bit into the crimson here, mixing these colours and that. Automatically get a little bit darker here. A little waterfall somewhere around here. Change the colour of this though by lifting up. It's going to go oranger now. Ooh. Water. It's white here. That's picking up all that colour. I'm going to go across. Just laying some that dark mountain colour that we had on. Green on there. I must admit this is a beautiful painting. It's turned out really nice. A bit dark over here, so I'm not going to layer this on too thick. A little brighter, we get some little things growing. Just carry on with this. A little bit of white going across here. It's got to be tiny. I don't want a lot of paint on this. Brighten that area up just a little tiny bit. White on my brush. Don't need a lot, it's just literally a little suggestion of something hitting across as it comes. I'm just going to go into some dark here. There's a tree trunk there. We could have a little tree that's just here, just hanging over. I'm going to come and put some colour on this. Now I'm not going to go too mental here. I'm going to leave just a little bit there. Cover this bit up. I'm going to come put some little stuff on here. And I just want to maybe a bit of red, just making like the colour that kind of feels right. Just loading up that brush there. See that just coming down to about sort of that area. We just put a nice sort of tree trunk just sort of about here. Okay, see if I can come down this way. Yeah, I can. Okay. Just trying to make a bit of a sort of an old sort of tree trunk feel to that. So this one's called Reflections of Gold, and this is number 348. Okay, let's do this. I've got a little touch up to do down the bottom, I know that. You're really close, guys. Imagine that up on your wall. Please go and have a look at the website, guys. Visualfusions.co.uk. Don't forget you can also get your paint supplies cheaper through me using Visualfusions as a code at meadenart.com. Links in description on YouTube, pinned comment, and on TikTok is one link underneath my profile picture which shows you everything there as well. So I hope that helps out.